Mirror, mirror. A look at reflexive pronouns in English. Hello there! Welcome to another video in our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of grammar, specifically focusing on reflexive pronouns. These unique pronouns can really elevate your English speaking and writing skills, and we're here to help you understand them fully. Reflexive pronouns are a type of pronoun that end in self or selves. They refer back to a noun or pronoun mentioned earlier in the sentence, often the subject. In English, the reflexive pronouns are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Example: 1. I saw myself in the mirror. 2. They will have to organize the event themselves. In both examples, the reflexive pronouns refer back to the subject of the sentence. Reflexive pronouns have two primary uses in English. 1. To indicate that the subject of the verb is also the object. 2. To add emphasis to a particular noun. Example of the first use: she cut herself while cooking. In this case, the action, cutting, is being performed by the subject, she, and received by the same person, indicated by the reflexive pronoun, herself. Example of the second use: I did it myself. Here, the reflexive pronoun, myself, adds emphasis, underscoring the fact that the speaker performed the action independently. A common mistake is using reflexive pronouns where they're not needed. Remember, reflexive pronouns should only be used when the subject and the object of the verb are the same, or to add emphasis. Incorrect. John and Mary prepared themselves dinner. Correct. John and Mary prepared dinner. In the incorrect sentence, themselves isn't needed because John and Mary aren't preparing themselves, they're preparing dinner. That wraps up our discussion on reflexive pronouns in English. I hope you found it helpful. Remember, practice is key when mastering these grammatical components. So, keep using reflexive pronouns in your sentences, whether to emphasize your point or to indicate that the subject and the object of the verb are the same. Until next time, keep practicing and improving your English skills. See you in the next video.